Y'all, welcome back to Mississippi Good Life. Alright, so in this video, I want to talk to y'all about something, just a reminder, I guess you could say, or just to kind of make you think a little bit. So, there's this thing called control. Many of us can be controlled and don't even know it. There's little things that can be done where you can be controlled and you don't even be aware of the fact that you're being controlled. Silently being controlled, okay? And when it comes to everything that's going on and you're not prepared, you're going to be controlled in at least 3 fields: food, water, and essential items. Because we all done seen on TV, on movies, and all this type of stuff, or in real life, that when something happens and food and stuff has to be issued out, there is a limit to make sure everybody can get, can partake in the items. With that being said, you're going to be controlled on how many items you can get per person, per household, or whatever the stipulations may be. But if you prepare, you'll have abundance of whatever it is, food. What you get to portion it out the way you see fit. It may get to the point where, just say water. Look at in 2020. There was limits on cases of water. That was control. They controlled how many, no matter if you got to the store first. There was something we would say in the couponing world. You got there first. They always say, oh, you got store clearers. Well, you get there first. The items is available. You want the items, you are able to get how many items you want unless the store has a limit on it. So I get why there's limits, especially in emergency situation, disaster or whatever. But at the same time, it's control. 2020 situation, there was limits on how many cases of water you can get. There was limits on how many packs of paper towel you can get. There was limits on things. So, any way you look at it, it is control. They will have to control how much you get. All because there's a situation going on. One way to try to make sure you don't have to go through that, even be out there in lines and all, if you can help it, is to put something back. Simple as that. And that's why I say sometimes we can be controlled and don't even know it. Don't even know it. Yeah. So food, you need. Water, you need. Essential items. Supplies. If you're on medications, just things that you would need. You need to start putting those things back now. It's morning here, and when I got up this morning, I already see the new stuff that's going on. It's like a waiting game in some areas now. Far as wars and all this, it's a waiting game. They say it can happen any minute, any hour. They don't know. But that stuff do eventually affects us, and especially with people over there putting warnings and stuff out for anybody to help anybody. You just don't know which way this thing going from one minute to the next, and you don't want to be surprised. Because that's what it is. A lot of people going to be surprised. A lot of people that say us preppers or whatever you want to call us, get on here and put out negativity. I love that person comment that put in there yesterday, stop putting this negativity. Like I was going to stop doing what I was supposed to be doing because you said something. But it's many of you like that. And I feel sorry. I really do. I feel sorry that you're so blinded and don't see what's going on. And sometimes y'all, the ones that be saying negative stuff, be the main one prepping. They be the main one prepping. They want to stop you from prepping because they feel like that's less for them. They don't know what, they know it's people in all areas. They don't know where you located at. And if they do, that's even worse. They want to make sure they have time to get to the store to get it before you. I see right through it. It's so many different motives that comes off different ways with people. At the end of the day, we got to prepare. We got to prepare. Prepare is the word. That's what it's come down to. That's why I'm taking out time to try to sound the alarm as much as possible. To prepare. To prepare. So, that's what I wanted to talk to y'all about. Control. I got a couple things I need to do out here in the garden. I got a lot of things I got to do out here in the garden. And I got to do it in breaks because it be so hot. So, look, it be so hard for me to get out here at 6 in the morning. I was up. I've been up since 6. But I ain't been outside. And now it's after 10. And it's heating up. But I even though I'm woke, I'm still in bed because I'm so tired from the day before. Me and the kids was out here in almost 100-degree weather yesterday. Almost all day. That was tiring and draining. We stopped, we drank, we ate popsicles, we drank water, but it still was hot and draining. Me and the kids. Me and the kids. Gotta do what we gotta do, y'all. We gotta to control no matter who believes it and who not. No matter who believes it and who don't. We still gotta do what we gotta do. What is that sound? Who watering? Oh. So yeah, let me get out here and help my kids is out here now. And Tatiana they came out and started watering. So don't wet those things that ain't got lids on them. They ain't got lids on them. Put lids on them so I can light them for mosquitoes when we done. So y'all, let me get out here and help water, and I got some more things to do. But if you ain't on Amazing Grace Garden, that's where my garden. If you prepping, you need to be gardening too if you're able to. That goes hand in hand. Permaculture. Okay, go hand in hand with prep. All right. So with that being said, I'm gonna end it right here. I'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, make sure y'all prepare. Oh, I love the lighting. I be having to add lighting to my videos, but I love the lighting today. The video don't look like it's gonna be dark, so woohoo! A pretty day, a pretty day, a pretty day. So I'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, mwah. Be safe. Bye.